Hey guys, this is the substitute for Vacuummaster. Well, 19 today, I'll be doing a show through of the Daredevil Express Vac fashion vacuum cleaner. Well, I don't know. I'm trying to find me. I don't know where it is. I do not like belong. Okay, never mind. So, okay, you can see the vacuum now. Yeah. So I got here. So I'm gonna dump this, pick us all these nuts. So I got some nuts right here. I'm gonna put them all in like a line. What I'm gonna do is, so I got some nuts. Make some nuts. See if the vacuum can pick them up. Spread them all out in this corner. By the centerpiece. And let's see what this. Let's see what they can do with this when I set these nuts. There's all the nuts we sucked up. Hold this. Okay, I'll just take a vacuum, eh? See that is vacuum is a success. Well, over here, there's the button. It's right along here for the vacuum. that vacuum, I know it's really good at picking up stuff, but there's like sometimes that I can like shot out dust, but luckily I fixed it. Found a problem. It was like it was not like the vacuum was like had not been emptied. Well, I had to empty it. It's like I took this in the garage with me, and I had got a garbage bag, and I like put it on the corner, went on the counter, and like and I had to shove all the dirt out with my hand. I had to wash my hands. Lucky there's no like fire ants. Good fire ants will not come here because I was looking for food. The fire ants give you really bad bites, So if you want to check out more, for more information, you want to check out my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and subscribe for more views, and also I'll be opening up a vacuum service soon. Service real soon. So soon. So it's something really awesome though. Oh, that's no god. So that's really cool. And that's really awesome. So please subscribe to my channel and comment. Cheerio now.